20th problem. Now there is a competition where a bucket is placed and there are some 10 potatoes placed away from the bucket. Now the first potato is placed at 5 meters distance, and after that each potato is at a distance of 3 meters. Now totally there are 10 potatoes. So clearly n is equal to 10. Now what the participant has to do, he has to pick up the potato, drop it into bucket, go to second potato, pick up the second potato, drop it into bucket, again come to third potato, take it and drop it into bucket till all the 10 potatoes are complete. Now we have to find that what is the total distance traveled by the participant. Now to pick up the first potato, he is traveling from bucket to potato one time. Again he is picking up the potato, he is again going back to bucket and dropping it there. So the total distance traveled is 2 times into 5. Now for second potato, he has to come all the way around. Now 5 plus 3, he has to come till here. He has to pick the second potato, again travel to bucket, drop it there. So totally how many times is traveling? 5 plus 3, again 2 times. Similar way for the third potato, 5 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters, 5 plus 3 plus 3. So he will be traveling 10. Now this will be 2 into 8 plus 2 into 6 plus 5 is 11 and so on. So this will be 10 plus 16 plus 22 and so on. So we will take this as a series, that is 10, 16, 22 and so on. Here A will be 10, D is equal to 16 minus 10 is equal to 6, and we have N is equal to 10, number of potatoes is equal to 10. We have to simply find the total distance traveled by the participant. Now the formula will be again Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to n. N value is 10, 10 by 2 into 2a. A value is 10 plus n value 10 minus 1 into d. So this will be S10. So this is 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 5 into 20 plus 9 into 6. So 5, 20 plus 9 6 are 54 is equal to 5 into 20 plus 54 is 74, and 5 into 74 is equal to 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35, 36, 37, 370. So the total distance traveled by the participant will be, therefore total distance is equal to 370 meters. Now this was the last problem of the progressions. With this problem we have successfully completed progressions and all the concepts of progressions. If you practice these problems and also the example problems given in your textbook, there is no reason why you will not be able to solve problems of progressions. Thank you.